Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Mixed Media Mayhem. Today we are doing a lift from Dorita. I cannot pronounce her name, but she is from Third Quarter Designs, and this was a design team layout for her. I have recently made the Third Quarter design team, so I'm pretty excited to go ahead and scrap lift this. I don't think it's going to be as beautiful as hers, but I'm going to try my best. So I'm going to do a fall layout. So we're going to do more of like an orangey type thing. So I've pulled in like my bag of fall. I have got some stamps here that I can fussy cut out. I've got a clock stamp. I've got a clock stencil. I've got a Brutus Monroe stencil. I've got some craft a clock cut aparts. And I've got some clocks. And then one photo here of the dogs snoozing in the man cave. So that's B. She always steals the chair, and then Maggie just has to go wherever. So we've got that. I'm going to pull in some light and fluffy modeling paste. And then let us go through this and see what we can find. Okay. So this was all stuff that I made. So those are embellishments. I don't really want those just yet, but we can probably use those. I gotta find the papers that I want to use first before I go through the embellishments. I do think I want to use that one. All right. So I'm going to go through this. I'm going to figure out what I want. I'm actually going to offload some of these scraps, you guys, because they're really little like this. Like, why am I holding on to that? I don't know. The strips I can save because I can do like a strip layout. But I need to purge some of these real quick. So give me a minute, figure out what I'm going to use, and I'll be right back. So I did not finish this in time. This is actually the day after it was supposed to post, and I am trying to finish it. So I've pulled all of these fun things. And I think we're just going to put the thankful and grateful kind of right there. Okay. And where are we going to put the title? Okay, I think we're gonna go doggy naps, like doggy and then naps right there, because I have totally went off the rail. But I like the mixed media. I hope that you guys watched everybody else's layouts yesterday because they were on time. Yeah, you guys remember I said it wasn't going to last, that I was ahead of the game, and it didn't, but that's okay. But, like I said, not always going to have a video up every day. I've been doing good, but I've got some more exciting news coming and new design teams that I will be designing for, so pretty much half of my month will be design team requirements that I am going to focus on. And then I've picked just a few of my favorite monthly hops or weekly hops. Like, I'm definitely going to try to, Mixed Media Mayhem. It's my baby. But a lot of the other ones are just not going to be able to stay around. I don't want to spend my whole life in the craft room. I know some people are like, why not? Well, it's getting warm out. And, I like my family still. So, and they still like me. So, as long as me and the hubs still like each other, we should probably try to spend time together. So, and just getting out and doing things. And we've been cooped up. I've been sick most of the week, so I do apologize for the sound of my voice. I actually lost it for quite some time. this week. People at work were like, just don't speak, because it was bad. So, get that in there. So we've got that in there. Now we've got all of these fun stickers. And honestly, I should have put that the other way, but it's totally fine. I don't actually even know if we're going to be able to get all this on here, but we're going to try with everything that I've pulled out. We're going to try. So, chipboard, we're going to get stuck down first. Just kind of pop it in here like this. I know we covered that leaf up, but that is just okay. And we're going to keep going until we have this nice, fun, full little layout. And then we'll come in and we'll fill in some of the blank spaces as best we can. Whoa. So we're just going to keep kind of filling it in with all these fun little leaves. And just get them stuck down. And I probably won't even use half the stuff that I pulled, right? But I'm going to try to use the majority of these leafy guys because the stickers I can just kind of pop back in wherever. So I am very snotty, and it's just not fun. Stay down. Nothing wants to play nice today. Oh man, I think we're just gonna need to really get some glue on here, huh? All right, what else do we have? So I probably won't have a lot of speaking parts in my upcoming videos because I don't have a voice. My voice is like coming and going, and then it gets like real rough and it's horrible. Like, as you can tell, it's starting to go now, so I don't really want to push myself too hard and not have a voice again. I need to put something right there here. So all I'm going to do is continue to pop these little guys all around. Just my goal is going to be to use everything that's on this little mat over here, and everything else I will just use in another layout at another time. This stuff does not want to stick, you guys. Mixed media. I love it, but it's a pain. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get this stuff all kind of stuck in, down, and around, and then we'll probably have to come back and make another fall layout and use the remainder of this stuff up. So that's always fun, right? Let's get these little guys. That guy's just not gonna stay. I don't care what I do. I'm gonna have to like tape him down somehow. Oh, It's going to be one of those, excuse me, layouts that falls apart as you're looking at it in the album. Sad to say, but probably true. So, it's angering me. Can you guys tell it's angering me real bad? Alright, what else can we do? Let's put a little heart on there. So I think we're about chipboard out. And we'll get the little November right down here. So we can use some more of these little leafies. So let me go ahead and finish doing this, and then I'll come back and we'll see what the finished layout is. So we're just gonna make it look like it's a leaf explosion. It's my goal. I hope it's... That one's gonna make me very, very mad. So I will be right back. Alright, I got just a few more items on there, some stickers kind of spread in, but I am happy with the way it looks. I probably could have went a little bit more out here, but totally fine. Layout done, day late. Don't forget to check everyone else out that had their videos up on time, and everybody that is playing along will be linked down below. We also have a playlist and a Facebook group, so do all the fun YouTube things, and I'll see you guys later with another video. Bye.